Welcome to this important video. In this video, we are going to discuss an other form of built-in functions or operations. These are called formatting functions or formatting operators. Python language has string format operator which is used with percentage sign or the mod operator sign, and it is unique to string. So if we are going to write anything in such a way that we want to hide some value, then we can use this formatting operator. For example, let me clear you that here are three common operators like D for decimal integer, for decimal value, G for floating point number, and S for string value. For example, here we define a variable as camels is equal to 42, and we want to display in such a way that we use here a formatting operator. This is a formatting operator which is used with D sign, and I have hidden some information here. You can see here I have hidden the some value, and I have not hidden it what is the value. So here is the hint which is given to it. So when I execute this program, then it will pick this value from camels in this format, and it will 42. So let me check it here again, and you will see the result very easy. I am going to copy these two lines, and execute it in my Python software so that it becomes easier. I am going to run this code. You can see here it has displayed that I have spotted 42 camels. What I wrote here I have spotted D camels. Here I have hidden the information, and it will be picked from this operator which is camels. So the value from camels will directly move to this D entry, and it will be 42. So here is another example as well. You can see here that uh, here at lower line in the last line camels are 42, and we want to display that in D years. Here is first hidden information. I have spotted dash. Here is second information, and I spotted S. This is third information. Here is the hint which is given in brackets. In bracket there are three values. First is decimal value, other is floating value, and last is the string value. So in place of D, decimal value will be moved, which is 3 years. In place of G, floating point value will be moved, which is 0.1. And in place of S, string value will move, which is camels. So in this way we can hide some information using some formatting operators. Let me run this code as well, and let me show you how does it work. I will just copy these lines and paste it into the Python PyCharm software, and when I run this code, then you can see from here that here in 3 years, 3 means here is the decimal value. What was the decimal value? This was given in the bracket with mod sign, which is 3. And next I have spotted percentage G. G stand for floating point value, so it has been displayed as 0.1, and S stand for string value, which was given in brackets as camels. So in this way this work, and formatting operators work in this sequence. This was very easy way to discuss how the formatting operators work, and these are all about built-in functions. Thank you so much. That was all for this video. So we are waiting for your valuable feedback. Please leave it in comments.